In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert equations in Google Docs, whether you're a student, a teacher, or just someone who needs to format mathematical text. Google Docs offers a straightforward way to include complex equations in your documents. So let's dive into it. First, ensure you have Google Docs open and ready. You can either open an existing document or create a new one. Once you're in your document, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You're looking for the option labeled Insert. Now go ahead and click on it. This brings up a drop-down menu with a variety of options. You'll see options like Image, Table, and many more, but today we're particularly interested in another item on this list: symbols. Next, you'll want to click on Symbols. As you do this, you may notice that it opens up additional options, giving you the ability to insert various types of special characters and mathematical functions into your document. Within this area, look for the equation option. Now click on equation. As soon as you do this, a new toolbar should appear, providing a suite of mathematical symbols and templates. You'll see symbols for operations like summation, integrals, fractions, and more. This is where the magic happens. It's here that you can start constructing your mathematical expression. At this point, it's time to write your equation. Click within the space provided and use the toolbar to start building. If you're typing directly, you can also use keyboard shortcuts to streamline the process. For instance, type in a backslash followed by a common command, such as frac for fractions, will insert that element right into your equation. This is particularly useful for those who prefer keyboard commands over a mouse. Once you're satisfied with your equation, there's nothing more you need to do. The beauty of Google Docs equation feature is its simplicity and integration into the document structure. Your equation is now part of the document and you can move it, edit it, or even scale it just like any other element in your file. And just like that, you're all set. You've successfully added an equation to your Google Docs document. This feature is incredibly versatile, perfect for educators creating materials, students submitting assignments, or even professionals preparing detailed reports. It seamlessly blends with the rest of your content, maintaining a polished and professional look. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your future projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials that make your digital tasks easier.